Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Love Chisom. On today's video, we will be recreating this beautiful gown you are seeing on the screen with Ankara and stripe, okay? So we will be making use of these three fabrics here, the stripe, the red one, and the blue Ankara, okay? The blue Ankara will be for the right part, then the red Ankara will be for the left part of the dress, the front, then the stripe will be for the normal body, the upper and the back, okay? So I've drafted my pattern already. This is a shirt pattern that I've drafted. I'm going to show you how I did it, how I drafted the shirt here. So for the neck, I'm going to show you how I drafted it. For the neck width is 3 inches. The width is 3 inches. Then for the back, then the depth is 1 inch. You can make 1.5, but I made 1 inch. So the shoulder is 10 inches. The shoulder is 9, which is 18. So, but I made use of 10 inches because it's a bogus shirt, okay? Here is the bust. So in each circumference, I added 3 inches. So I divided the bust into 4 plus 3 inches allowance, okay? So here I'm showing you how to get this is my bust point, under bust, waistline, and the hip line, then the length of the dress, which is 40 inches. So if you are finding it difficult to make your shirt, just make use of the largest parts on your body, which may be your bust or your hip, okay? Just divide it into 4 and add your allowance. Use it to make your shirt from the bust to the length of your gown if you're finding it difficult. So here I made use of my normal circumference and I added 3 inches on each circumference. The bust I divided by 4 and add 3 inches. The waist I divided by 4, add 3 inches. The hip I divided it by 4 and I added 3 inches. So for the front part of this dress, I made use of 3 inches for my button allowance, okay? Remember, I drafted the back pattern first, then put my paper on fold for the front, give 3 inches allowance for my button allowance, then I place the back pattern from that 3 inches allowance that I give and cut out the front pattern. So now I've removed the back pattern. We are left with the front pattern. So now I'm going to show you how to get the magic you saw on the front. So right here, come from your shoulder, come down by your waist, okay, which is where the stripe on the left side stopped. The stripe on the left side stopped at the waistline, okay? Now I have to turn my paper over to get the right side. Remember, my paper is on fold. Now on the right side, the stripe stopped at the under bust. That is what I'm doing here now. It stopped at the under bust from your shoulder, okay, on the right side, which is the blue side, okay? So right now, for the down part of this dress on the right side, I went up by 6 inches. Remember, on this dress, one part is shorter, which is the right side. So I went up by 6 inches and I cut it out. Please, I forget something. Whatever measurement you have on your hip, take it down to the hem of your gown, okay? So right now I'm going to divide my paper into 2, okay? Then we are going to cut out the measurements that I've said here, that I've mentioned here. So I'll divide my paper into 2. Please, whatever measurement you have on your hip, take it down to the hem of your gown. The length of this gown is 40 inches, okay? So if your paper is not complete up to 40, when you are cutting, please make sure you complete it, or to the length of any length that you want. So right now, the right side of this dress, the stripe stopped at the waistline, so I'm trying to cut it out now. The left side of this dress, the stripe stopped at the waistline, so I've cut it out now. I will set it aside. Now I'll work on the right side, okay? I'm going to set it aside and I will work on the right side. So on the right side, the stripe stopped at the underbust, but because this person is plus size, so I decided to go down by 1.5 inches. You can go down by 2 inches if you are making for plus size. Okay. So I went down by 1.5. Then by the time I sew with 1 inch, I join it there with 1 inch, we will be left with 1 inch. Sorry, I join it there with ½ inch, we will be left with 1 inch. So, and I will also do the same thing on the other pattern. I will also go down by 1.5 on the left side. You know, this is the right side. So on the left side, the upper body, I will go down by 1.5 when I'm cutting it on the fabric. So I will do it. So whatever adjustments you want to make, please try and bring it to life here. Then when you are cutting it, you then do whatever you want to do. So now we are going to set this aside. Now I'm going to bring this left part of this pattern. Now I'm trying to show you that I'm going to go down by 1.5 inches, like I went down on the right side of the upper body. So that is it. So the next thing we'll do is to cut it out on our fabric. Okay. So here I'm trying to cut out the 6 inches. The same 6 inches that I went up with on the downside of the right hand. So this is it. Now I'm going to cut it out on my pattern. So this is it. So now I'm going to cut it out. I'll cut it out on my pattern, on my fabric. Look at it. So after cutting it out, now we will start joining. So this is how to join. Place right side to right side. You see how I raise it up to place it, then you are going to join it from here. You are going to repeat the same thing on the red side. So I'm going to look at it. You are also going to join it here. Okay, now we bring it down. The next thing you will do is to join it. After joining it here, you are going to fold. Okay, this is my button allowance that I'm folding, the 3 inches for button allowance that I'm folding here. Okay, after that, you're going to bring your back pattern, place front and back together, right side facing each other. Then you are going to join the shoulders. You're going to join the shoulder here. Okay, you're going to join the shoulder, then join the sides. Also join the sides here. Cut out your sleeve and add. You can decide to make the sleeve that is on the video. You can decide to make it short. It depends on your preference, whichever way you want. But I'm making what is on the video, which is the long sleeve. So I made use of long sleeve. So attach your sleeve, fold the hem of your gown. That is it. So look at it here. And you can then add your collar. So look at it here. I've folded my zipper allowance, joined the shoulders, joined the sides, and I added my sleeve here. So I have a tutorial on how to cut and join sleeve. So look at it here. Added my sleeve, you add your collar, then hem the down part of the gown. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Click your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are new to my channel, thank you very much. You are very, very much welcome. Okay, you are welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. So this is the final results. Thank you guys. I so much appreciate your effort on my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye.